Hey everyone, welcome back. Got actually I won a prize off of Larry D and more. Larry D. I'll put his link on his YouTube channel in the description. But he had a giveaway. I want to say 2 months ago or so. Um, so actually I was picked in a random drawn number generator and I won. So finally picked up my mail today and here it is. Sorry I can't do it on a table. We had a bad storm. The wind tipped it over and broke the glass, so gotta do it on the floor. All right, we're gonna open it up. Honestly, I can't remember what I wanted. He had two options: it was hot sauce or horror, and I picked the second one. All right, got some nice wrapping here. Here we go. Well, actually, is it sauce? Let's see. Got a box here. We got a lot of goodies in here. We got some, hopefully my battery doesn't die. I got phone problems here. There it is. Larry D. Tanks and More. That's his YouTube channel. Got some stickers. Cool. Got a button here. And got a keychain. How cool is that? Devil's Reject. And there's another pin in here. Oh, I can't see this. Can't really see. That's another pin though. See if I get that in there. Pretty cool. And see down here. Looks like some DVDs. That's awesome. Perfect. Halloween's coming up too. Got 13 Demons. We got actually it was three movies. Hammer Films. We got the Two Faces of Dr. Jekyll, Scream of Fear, and the Gorgon. Cool. And Demon Hunter to finish it off. How cool is that? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Actually, there's something else in this bag here. Put this on the side real quick. Some little vinyl figures here. There's like a little zombie dude. Let me get that in foam. It's got some amputated legs here. That's pretty cool. It's gonna go on the shelf. Got another dude here. And it looks like he's holding some brains. Oh, nice zombie collection. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look at this guy. I wonder if that glows in the dark. And got another zombie dude. See if this guy glows in the dark here. He sure does. Oh. I'm gonna blaze his head up here with the flashlight. Get this. How cool is that? Look, you got little brains going on here. Pretty neat. Let's get these guys back in frame here. That is pretty cool. Oops, sorry. There we go. Got 5 figures here. Awesome. I want to thank Larry. Oh, where's his pin at? This thing here. I want to thank Larry D for having this giveaway. And thank you for watching.